Hey guys, this is just a joke, so don't get all upset and send us a bunch of hate mail. Here we go. Hey guys, we know there's a lot of lady woodworkers out there that like to show a little bit of skin on YouTube, and I thought that's just not fair. The ladies need to see something too. So we're gonna make us a real nice sign, but first, we gotta cut some wood. Alright, so we got our wood cut, but it's getting pretty hot out here. Time for a water break. So remember, before you spray, you want to make sure this thing is good and shook up. When you're using a disc sander, this thing can jump out of your hands, so you got to hold it tight. That didn't get all of it. So there it is, ladies. Some fine woodworking. Because we know that's why you watch this video. You're welcome. Have a nice day. So guys, I'm sure we've all noticed over the past few years, there's a pretty popular trend going on with woodworkers on YouTube. So this is just a tribute to them. Hope you guys had a laugh, and we'll see you on the next one.